Hey there. I've had a few people mention questions about the quiz of section 11.4, especially those that are using the APR table. So I thought I would work out question number 2 on that particular quiz. Your question may be a little bit different, but the basics should be exactly the same. My question number 2 says that a family purchased a new ski boat for $20,000. Their loan agency required an 8% down payment, and they financed the balance for 36 months with an APR of 6%. I need to determine the total amount of the finance charge and their monthly payment for the loan. It does tell me to solve using the annual percentage rate table and to round to the nearest dollar amount. My very first step is I have to determine the amount of the down payment. Notice they are required to pay 8% of the $20,000. That means we need to take 0.08 times 20,000, which makes their down payment $1,600. Step 2 is to determine the amount actually being financed. This will be the purchase price of $20,000 minus the down payment of $1,600, which will leave $18,400 for the amount being financed. Step number 3 is actually to determine the total finance charge on the $18,000 or $18,400 that is being financed at a 6% APR and 36 monthly payments. To determine this, we must use the table that is located on page 680 of your textbook. You may want to print this page using the multimedia library that is found in the buttons on your home page and search the e-textbook for that page. This table should look something like this. It is an annual percentage rate table for monthly payment plans. This table will actually tell you the amount of finance charged for every $100 that you are financing. So notice that our individual is taking a loan out that is 36 monthly payments. So we do want to find the 36 payments. And scroll across until we match that up with the percentage rate. They have a 6% APR, so they will be charged $9.52 for every $100 that they borrow. So notice that it is that $9.52. So first now we have to determine the number of $100 being financed. That can be calculated by taking the amount borrowed, the $18,400, divide that by 100, and that will tell us that our individual is taking a loan out for $184,100. Next, to calculate the finance charge, we will take that $952 and multiply it by the 184. This should give us $1,751.68. However, the problem does ask to round that to the nearest dollar, so we will round to $17.52. Last step is to calculate the monthly payment. Before we can calculate the monthly payment, we must first determine the total installment price. Total installment price is equal to your purchase price plus the amount of your finance charge. Notice the purchase price for this new ski boat is $18,400 plus the finance charge of $17.52 that we just determined, which now gives the total installment price of $20,152. Their monthly payment will now take this total installment price and divide it among the 36 months. This will make their monthly payment be $559.78. But also remember that the problem states to round to the nearest dollar. This means that their monthly payment will be $560. So our answer, they were looking for the total finance charge, which is our $17.52, and the total monthly payment, which is $560. I hope this helps.